What do you do with the pulp when you make stuffed zucchinis? Please don't tell me that you're throwing it. Today we will make the famous zucchini mutabbal. Put some olive oil in the pan. Add 3 crushed garlic cloves. Mix them until they take a light color. Now add the zucchini's pulp with some salt. Mix them and put it on medium heat until the zucchinis are fully cooked. Make sure to give them this color, it's very delicious. Add 1 teaspoon of dried mint, half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of paprika. Mix all the ingredients and now it's ready. When it's not hot anymore, we serve it with some olive oil on the top and some paprika. And do not forget the fresh lemon juice. Eat it with your favorite bread and enjoy this delicious dish. صحتين وهنا.